I got some more things in the mail, including the bridges, the pickups, and a bunch of the tone knobs, so I can press forward with this project. What I'm going to do right now is drill out the holes for the bridges. I've got the individual bridge for the bass string, and I've got a 3-string bridge for the guitar strings. Now, to be centered off the 12th fret, they should both be sitting right here. But in the effort to explore new territory, I'm going to move both of my bridges clear down the body. Now I have no idea what this is going to do to the exact intonation, but the way I figure it is that as long as all of the strings are intonated with each other, in tune with each other, then we should be all right, and I can explore the result and come up with some crazy sounds, hopefully. So I'm going to drill out these holes, and then the next step after that is assembling the tuning pegs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll see how that turns out. There we go. Alright, I got my bridges on. Next stop, tuning pegs.